or to the whole presentation. We can add date, time, we can have slide number, we can add many symbol objects, we can add multimedia or sound to the presentation. Then next topic is view of presentation. How we can view the presentation? There are different views of presentation. We can have normal view to the presentation, slide shorter view means like this we can view, note pages like this we can have, then there is a design option. We can have different designs. We can select here designs from here, or we can add color, font, effect to the design also. The next is if we want to add some animation or we want to add some transition, we can add from here. Means I am adding, so see, these all are kinds of transition. If we want to add sound to the transition, we can add from here. Then next is if we want to create a slideshow, means if I want to view the slideshow, then this is the slideshow to the presentation. The next option is view. Already I have told how we can view the presentation. Then through the PowerPoint we can add we can have view, we can add many views, or we can add transitions, animations, fonts, etc. to the presentation, so that it may look attractive to other people. We can have a slider, shorter view, outline view, normal view through the PowerPoint. We can have a slideshow, then we can move one slide to the another. Then we can have visual effect, we can add a special sound to the presentation, whichever we want to add. Then we can have slideshow, means we no need to click again and again mouse button or keyboard button to have a view of the pictures. So these all are the things which we can do through the presentation. So revise this chapter and read this chapter thoroughly, so that you may have something in your mind. So thank you students.